Welcome to this Vitalcare Rosie training video. Today we will be talking about the Rosie Dialler unit and we will explain its initial setup. A Rosie Dialler is a device that allows you to call the Rosie Emergency Response Service if you need help in an emergency. If you have just received your dialer and it's not been set up for you, you need to do the following things to make it work. First, locate the antenna. It is made up of black plastic and is about 5 cm or 2 inches long. Attach it to the dialer by screwing it into the antenna socket at the top of the unit in a clockwise direction. Then, turn the dialer unit over. There is a small black power switch located inside a recessed area on the back of the unit. Push the switch to the left to turn the unit on. You will hear the dialer beep. Next, locate the dialer power supply. It is a small black plastic unit with a cable coming out of it that goes into the dialer. Plug the dialer power supply unit into a convenient power outlet. Please make sure the power switch is also turned on. You will hear the dialer beep, and the mains lights will light up green. Wait up to a couple of minutes while the dialer starts up and gets itself ready to work. During this time, you may see some letters and numbers appear on the display. When the dialer is ready to work, you will hear a lady's voice say, "Unit is armed."
Unit disarmed.
Press the cancel button on the front of the unit briefly. A number will flash on the display. If this is between 2 and 8, the signal strength is good. Or if it is between 0 or 1, the signal strength is too low and the unit will need to be repositioned. To reposition the dialer, turn off the power and unplug the power supply unit. Next, switch the dialer off underneath. Then move the unit to another location. Now it's time to make a test call from your dialer to make sure it works. To do this, press the help button on the front of the unit briefly. The dialer will beep several times to acknowledge that it's about to call Rosie. Shortly after that, you will hear a lady's voice say, "Your call is now being connected."
Your call is now being connected.
You will then be connected to a Rosie assistant. They will greet you, give you their name and ask, "Is this an emergency?" Please tell them that it is not an emergency and that you are just testing, and then they will end the call. Press the cancel button briefly to clear the alarm. Thank you for watching this Vitalcare training video about the Rosie Dialler setup. For more information, please call Rosie Support on 1-800-476-743 or email us at help@rosie.help.